Hi, my name is Dr. Rick Geyer, and I'm from Texas Back Institute, and I'm at the Seattle Science Foundation today for the 5th annual Motion Preservation of the Spine course. And here's what else is happening this week at Seattle Science Foundation. Dr. Graham Woodworth from the University of Maryland School of Medicine will be the featured speaker Thursday morning at our 2nd annual John Jane Memorial Visiting Surgeon Lectureship. And please mark your calendars for November 10th and 11th when we will host our 10th annual Interventional Pain Management Fellows course. The main objective of this course is to bring interventional pain management, interventional spine, and other fellows in training who specialize in minimally invasive treatment together to advance the specialty of percutaneous intervention. Unfortunately, our in-person spots are totally booked. You will have to attend this course virtually. As usual, you can register for these courses or any of our courses at the ssfcme.org site. And thank you for supporting the Seattle Science Foundation.